Good afternoon, guys. This is going to be the fourth video of me in the series of me telling you about some of my clocks. And this is a Sir Thomas Falsbury electric Art Deco style from 1940. And it needs a new movement, thanks to yours truly. Anyway, this clock is obviously Art Deco influenced, but I love the way it looks. And what else can I tell you about it? Oh yeah, it was an eBay purchase and it was... Can't remember exactly how much it was, but it wasn't very much. I was very pleased to get it for that price. And this clock had a Sangamo motor in it, one of the, in my opinion, most reliable motors ever made. And it's a little bit strange. You'll have to look up the history of this Sangamo motor. It's different. And I have a feeling that it costs more to produce than your average motor. Yeah. And oh yeah, and obviously there's a piece missing there. I've seen some that have both missing, and some that have both present. Apparently they broke off easy or something. The dial's in very nice shape, bezel's nice and sturdy. Love that dial. But yeah. Anyway. Now, and that closes nice and solid too. Now I will turn the clock around where you can see the back. I have to set my phone down to do it. I'll do it. Alright. And here is the back. And yeah, the bottom is able to be taken off. It was held on by screws. And I hadn't noticed those nails. Why they didn't use screws, I don't know. And they had to do some Dremel work for the longest rods to fit. Yeah. The hour stroke rod is the same length as the lowest note of the Westminster. And here's the label, which is in really nice shape. I'll let you read that. And there's that. And this is supposed to have a key that was made to wind the two mainsprings when you first put it in operation, but that was missing when I got it. Oh yeah, and there's a 3 right there. All I can figure is that is for March of 1940. That's all I can figure. But yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye-bye.